Effortlessly manage your Jira projects with Clone Expert for Jira templates, epics, and issues. Repetitive project structures can slow you down. With Clone Expert for Jira, you can efficiently duplicate epics, stories, tasks, and subtasks, optimizing your issue management in just a few clicks. Before cloning, you can easily customize your cloning with multiple options like selecting the target project, choosing the components you wish to clone, deciding on your cloning strategy, and using an advanced table to edit individual issue details for complete flexibility. You can clone issues with or without their parent epic. Select the issues and subtasks you need by ticking the checkboxes. Easily update issue details before cloning. Use Single Edit for individual changes or Bulk Edit to simultaneously apply updates across multiple issues. Placeholders dynamically insert relevant data, streamlining your cloning process and maintaining consistency. Once your settings are finalized, you can clone a ready-to-use epic and its related issues in moments. For quick results, use Quick Epic Clone to duplicate your epic and its issues without additional setup. It's the fastest way to get the job done. With Clone Issue, you can duplicate any issue type along with its subtasks, maintaining its structure and relationships for maximum flexibility. Streamline your Jira workflows with Clone Expert for Jira templates, epics, and issues. Visit the Atlassian Marketplace to learn more and get started.